Hey dad, you looking to make some extra income? If you're like me, trying to look for that extra income so you could spend more time with your family and doing the things that you love, then you need to hear this. And you need to watch this to the end so you can get the details. Like I said, that is me. I just want to spend more time with my family. Here's my story in short form. I went from working 14 to 16-hour days to losing my job in 2020. Then I landed a job in November of 2021, but the pay was far below what I was getting before. So I needed to find something to cover that gap in the pay. Well, in April of 2023, I discovered this blueprint that literally walks you through step by step on only working 2 hours a day. This blueprint also comes with a community of over 1,700 members. Well, inside that 1,700 members, there are dads that are following the blueprint so they can learn how to earn 300 to 600 a day, only working 2 hours a day. That's 109,500 to 218,000 a year. And guess what? There are many actually doing just that. Oh, and also, it's a rejection free online business. So if you're like me and those other dads in the community and you want to learn more about the blueprint, like, follow, share, and save this for later, and then put I am ready in the comments, and I would love to share more info with you.